Welcome to my channel Indian Tech. Did you fail to install XPOSED framework in your device? Did the XPOSED app show that XPOSED framework is not installed even after installing it? Actually, the process and framework is different for Android Pie. So let's fix the issue and know the correct procedure of installing XPOSED framework in Android 9. So stay tuned and watch the video. First of all, you need these three files. The links are given in the description, so download it from there. You need to have MAGISK installed in your device and then open MAGISK Manager app. After opening MAGISK app, go to Modules section and select Install from Storage option. Navigate to the three files which you have downloaded from the description. I have kept the file here, so click on Reroute zip file. After clicking it, it will be installed automatically, so wait till it gets installed. So it has been successfully installed. Don't reboot now, it will ask for reboot, but don't reboot now. Press the back button and click install from storage again, and now select the redo EDXPOSED zip file. So it will be also installed automatically. Wait till it gets installed. It has been also installed. Now you have to reboot. Click reboot button. So after reboot, you will see that EDXPOSED Manager app is installed, but don't open it, wait. Go to your file manager and install the APK file which I have provided you. So install this. After installing the app, now you can open EDXPOSED Manager app. And see that EDXPOSED framework is successfully installed. And now you can install any module which you want to install. XPOSED Manager is successfully installed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for further updates, and thanks for watching.